So it's been just another week of amazing returns. I've had, man, I don't know what to say anymore. It's, you know, I, you guys may not realize that, I still have losses. Like, it's just that as I said, my returns, my profits overcome my losses. I'm not, this great trader, and you don't really have to be. You have to take those opportunities. You got to take every opportunity. That's what I'm doing. I'm taking every opportunity I can to find the profits. So we're going to get into some of the trades and look at the setup, see what's going on into the next week.
Are you a trader? Then you'll love Connect One Forex Signals, a leading signal service dedicated to providing the best trading entries and exits for traders. We have the highest reward to risk ratio in the industry, and our pips gain is as high as 1,200 pips in one trade. You don't need to do anything, just set it and forget it. We'll do all the heavy lifting. We also teach how to trade successfully using what we call the RSAI blueprint strategy. Our strategy is based on harmonics, but we also use them in other ways besides just buying and selling to target. Receive signals, learn new techniques and innovative trading systems to bring you to a new level of training and profitability with Connect One Forex Signals. Sign up for a free trial at connect-1-forex-signals.multiscreensite.com or join our Telegram group at t.me/KOFXSGroup for group chat.
All right, so welcome back. We're gonna start talking about. We're gonna start kind of in the middle. Then I'll go to the at the top of the list, which is alphabetical order. But I wanted to come here because I didn't want to miss this EuroCAD. I bought this down. Where I bought it? I bought it like down. I'm trying to remember now. Hold up. Went up. It was down here, I think. Let me check. I think it was. So today is now the 28th. Trying to remember what time it was. It was about this time. It came up, it went down. I saw it bounce here, and then I didn't believe that it was gonna go past this red area. It didn't. It was like right here, kind of right here. There was like this is like 2, 3, it was somewhere in there, right in here. I know it was about time to go to bed. Yeah, it was like around that time I went to sleep. And I caught this leg up. Now, I went ahead and took profits. I got out here. So, I went ahead and took that. It was like, what, 4 grand, 6 grand, 4 grand. That was, 40, 47,000. I'm not 47,000, 4,781. I did an oil short, made a huge return. 80, 87, $87,000. I mean, I risked a lot of my account, and I tried that the first time last night, and yes, I lost a lot of money. I lost like 25,000, and then I set like a bunch of trades up, and I lost like another 20 grand. So, and then I had some other stuff. So I was just grabbing everything. I lost a lot. I was down about 50,000, and then I did it. So I went in heavy on an oil trade, and I shorted it. Matter of fact, let me see them go. I shorted oil trade, from here, about here to here. These two, right up in here. I know I have this thing kind of tiny, right? I got in about here, and then it went down and it came back up. Went up. I think I went negative. I'm trying to think where it was. Somewhere in here, I think. And I started to go negative because it's like near where I bought it. It cost me to get in was like 25 grand or something like that. So you're already down when you get in. So I just held it. And I got out at about $87,000 profit. Huge. I've gotten so used to doing these sorts of things, you know, these high risk, type of moves. I mean, not high, it really wasn't high risk. It's just a matter of, when I say high risk, like I won't like hit the button, like I won't get out on a negative, but actually just getting through it and then getting to the trade. So you could see your trade through, you know what I mean? Getting to the risk is me not hitting, you know, the risk is me hitting the button too soon. You know, me getting out too soon. Because seeing drops like that will make you be tempted to, you know, you want to cut it, you want to cut a loss. So you don't want a loss to become a blown up account. Because let's say, for instance, I got it and it went back to this beginning. You know how my loss would be? I mean, I would have lost probably half. I would have lost literally like half my account. So I took a risk getting in this one, believing that this was going to be a bear attack. We call a bear attack is when it just goes literally straight down, like straight to the target. And that's what this one did. It just happened to be a bear attack trade. Okay. And it went straight to profit, and I got out. I said, no, I'm getting out. Wasn't even really, honestly, I wasn't even looking at the chart. I was looking at the number, which you're not supposed to do. I should have been looking at the ticks and looking at the chart, and I wasn't doing that. I was looking at the number, like the price, the money. And I say don't do that, and I didn't realize I was making that mistake. But luckily, I did not pay for that mistake. I profited a lot, very well. So this puts me very close to $400,000 in trading profits, from $3,000 to $400,000. So we're approaching $500,000. So, which is it's just, I never thought in my wildest dreams, that I would be sitting here right now talking about, you know, $500,000. Okay, so ODCAD, let's back up a little bit. Market's still open right now, 3 o'clock New York time. See, this is, I was looking for, I got into this, I did close it, right? No, I know, it actually it went down on me and I closed negative. I lost money on it. But I mean, you can buy this here, buy signal, but I mean, I'd like to see a harmonic form, and I would like to see double bottom. So I've been looking around for a double bottom. I didn't see it. Let me see if anything happened. How can it be nothing? Let's look at that 1 hour. Really? Well, it just hasn't formed yet. It just hasn't formed yet. So I would stay out of it for now. Yeah, let's stay out of that for now. And we'll just wait. ODCAD is supposed to be, I call it ODCAD. That's what I call it. AUD, CAD, Aussie, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. So there's a double top here. Yeah, and then there's nothing. I'm just filled right away. So I was thinking that this was going to hold. This double bottom didn't hold. So I was out of the position. So this is going to continue to go down. Just wait for the bottom to form. I thought this was possibly the bottom, but it appears that it is not the bottom. So gold is up there, the green line. Now moving on. THF. past the target that I did not signal this target, because I thought this target would get hit later. Turns out it went ahead and hit it. You can buy this now. I would buy this at this point, because this is untested support down here. Okay, and I would have my stop. I would get in here, have my stop right above, somewhere in here, like no further than that line. Maybe have a stop there, or you can have it. You could have it on the other side if you want, but it's just a little far, so I would have it possibly here. So this is the bullish pattern that is now forming on odd CHF. What's going on with my controller? See, I have to get another. I didn't plug in the other remote that does really well. I mean, mouse. Where is it? What's over there? Maybe I should. Maybe I should plug that other one in. Let's see. And then I won't have the errors or whatever going on. So just do that. Get into the trade. You can buy that. This is a strong. I mean, if it breaks this, then, I think if it breaks this, I would be shorting. I just turn it short with no target. No, not yet, unless it was below this point. But this is halfway fulfilled. It's got to move up higher to hit our target, which is up top. Okay, 0.69194. RJPY. RJPY, Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Do I like anything here on here? Nope. Moving on. I want to see this come down. This is now breaking down. It is time to get in the odd NZD short to 1.03960. Okay, see that happen? See that double top, and then below the Ichimoku cloud, pop up, go back into the cloud. Okay, buy it. That means sell it right now. Get in now. Odd NZD, odd USD, GSGD. Do I have anything here I like? No. Yeah, this is gonna be short. This is not gonna be a long video. So this is still open, didn't hit this. Started headed toward it, and then it does that. So I would wait. Don't do anything with odd USD. CAD CHF. This is currently open. Comes down, stops short, comes up. And then stops right above this area. I mean, I would short this to here or wait for this to and buy. Yeah, I mean, I'm not even getting into it because it's just all over the place. It's just constantly back and forth. It's not heading in one single direction. Couple of things here. Hmm. The larger pattern, this right here, this needs to be fulfilled. This is staying open. So I think this is coming down, but it's also consolidating. So I would wait for this area to be broken. I would short this right, 89.33, 89.88 right in there, or 89.8, right? Short that down to 87.347. This one's currently open. I think I should write on where I bought it or something. I mean, bought to sold. Oh, no, it isn't. Well, it's below it. It's below it. CFJPY. Short. Which the short, I don't know where I'm going. Where's it going? Oh my gosh. Whoa, way down here. 119.332. All right, so it's shorting that pattern down to here, okay? Your AUD, I was in this one, bought it and then got out. I missed it. I missed this. I bought it, made money and got out, but I missed it. It went further than I anticipated. This measurement here, these little half circles, these are just time measurements. Okay, it's time cycle measurements. EuroCAD, I sold that one. Yeah, I sold that. We talked about that. So Euro CHF. Oh man, double top here, right down. Oh sweet, wow. Man. Okay, somebody could just jump down the steps. So all right, so never mind the background noise. UCH, it's pretty much trading the same as the other. Up, headed up. This is a good buy. You can buy it up to here. I don't have a higher target, do I? I mean, you could do this. Why is it not selecting? Like, what the heck? I mean, no, that's too short. That's 60 pips. Forget that crap. Euro GBP. So Euro GBP still has not gone to 0.85. Still waiting on it. Still waiting. This takes a while. These things take time. Look here, and it went right back to the opening. So it hasn't gone below that. So, you know, another move down and hitting that, I would buy it. Or go above this red line, I'd buy it. Above 0.83400. Euro NZD. Euro NZD ended up headed higher. It ended up breaking out after the short that I did. I did that short, then I got out, it was over, then it headed back up, and actually is on a breakout at this point. Finally broke out after all that time, all that hard work. This is a breakout, and it's a breakout on a daily. Is it a breakout on the daily finally? We were talking about this. Maybe not yet. On its way though. On its way. Going to see it had tapped it. So yeah, so this is about to be a breakout, I would say. Going up to above. Once it passes this point, I mean, it has to pass. If not, it can hit this point and do the same cycle over again. That's why I haven't bought it. I mean, it could be on either side of this. Cause that's two targets. It's called 75 away from breakout. 75 pips away from the breakout. So next week, we're going to be looking at this. If it goes above here, I'm ready to buy. If it stays on the other side of the line, I want to get it at this line. I'll see if I can short. And then if it goes this way, then I'm switching to a buy. Because it has to get out of here. It's been trapped for so long. You know, that's why I'm just like, again, you know, but it's gotta break out. It's gotta break out. If not, it's just gonna go all the way down again. And we start the cycle all over again. But, I mean, look at this. Even if it did start the cycle all over again, look how much you can still make. I mean, you can still get, I mean, if it hit this and then came down this way, I mean, geez, you're talking 1,000 pips. And then you grab the other one. So either way, Euro NZD can be a really good play if we play this right. Okay, if we play it right. I think there's a way you can do it just right. Euro USD, I closed this at a loss. Wasn't ready to break out. Ended up forming a triangle on me. And, right? No. Actually, it went further. I was surprised that it broke down. But then again, I shouldn't have been surprised because every trader was in a buy. And when the sentiment is very high buy, you want to short that. Okay? You want to go against that and, you know, slurp up some of the cash for yourself. Oh, I'm thinking it went past this point. Oh, no, that's right. I bought the dip. It's back where I bought it. Oh. It's still in the same range. Okay. All right. I was thinking it went past it. So I guess not. Sorry. Still in the same place. Buy it. I'd buy it. Well, I'd check the sentiment first. Maybe knocked out some of those buyers. I'd like to see the buyers drop. So I got to check that. GBP AUD. Did I talk about GBP AUD? I think we talked about it, right? Oh, yeah, we said don't short unless it passes. And this is what I'm saying. See, this kept you guys, those who watched the GBP AUD video, stayed out of trouble or you stayed in a buy. Stayed out of trouble, out of getting short squeezed, or you stayed you went ahead and bought, or you know, either or. And I told you, it has to go, look at that, see? Has to go past this line. And see how perfect it stayed on the inside? That means it's still a buy. You know what I mean? You can play either side of this if you want. I mean, you can play either side of it. You know where the lines are, okay? You understand where it is. It was down here like it's got to cross. If it doesn't there, then it's not a short. See? It was a buy, just like the same. Perfect. Couldn't have done it. Couldn't have done that analysis any better than you could have. Just could not possibly have done that analysis any better. Total perfect. Love it. I love it. All right. GBP. We could do the same thing. Look at this. GBP. Well, we're going to follow the same. That latest one. Boom. Highest. Latest. Boom. On the line. See, it's inside here. You want to wait. You want to get in the short when it closes and it's in here. That's when you want to get in the short. Then you have a higher chance of it going down. Now, if you waited till the next line, the 50 line, I mean, sometimes the 50 line is late and it's way down here and you lost a lot of, okay? So that's why I don't really use the 50 line because it can really be low for you. But 50 line because it can be low, like right here. So the 3-2 is just higher. It's a little higher. It's a little sooner, okay? Gives you that breaching area so you know when you can take your risk. You can take your risk. of short. Pretty much if it went beyond this, and it did, like, it'd be inside here, chances are this run is over. Okay, it's kind of how that goes. Oh, I hit the wrong button. All right, GBP, JPY. It can be applied over and over. I mean, you're looking at the latest and the last significant. See, once it got past that 382, it was over. Like 2.5 didn't come back. Even at a 2.5, it just went straight through. Here, short, you would have been right at that. You would have been, yeah, it would have been a great, nice little short there. GBP, NZD. So here's one that I can tell I can tell it's inside. Look, watch this. Here to here. Look how inside that is. Trend is up. And I was in this. Yeah, I was in this. And I'm getting, yeah, this is, you guys, you're buying this all the way to 28728. Okay. Make sure you guys are watching these videos. All right. This is where it's going. This is where I expect it to go. It should arrive here by February 1st. Between February 1st and, yeah, so around that time. It's going to be February 2nd. This number, nah, it doesn't really get, it's just kind of, that would be late. February 4th would be slow. But a good one would be here. Yeah, so. See, GBP, I'm using this tool more often. I keep forgetting about it. I just keep forgetting about it. So 382. So this is good. It's a good buy it. Buy it off the 382. Are we buying it though? I don't know if we are buying it. I don't see a target. Yeah, I don't see a target on here. Okay. So maybe not. I don't know. You could. The nice double bottom GBP. Got a target. This target here. Then we have the lower target, which this is headed, closing the lower. There's going to be a target afterwards. So it's going to hit the 32181 and then bounce up and hit the 137352. Measuring tool. Is it slowed down? Yeah. Yeah, it's slowed down. I would wait until it got back inside. Yeah, it bounced off the 618. A bounce off. I would wait for it to breach this line if you're gonna trade it, or just wait till it gets to 12381 and buy up to the 137. Okay. NZD CAD, which broke past the bottom here. Okay. Really good. You can continue to short that if you're in a short on this. NZD CHF. Yeah, all of these I was in a buy and it just broke past. It went a little further. Nice healthy line. Okay. Nice healthy line. And it's broken down. Continue, you can short that if you want to. NZD. Yeah, just all the NZDs are just following together. Same pattern. altogether. And you see how GBP NZD is just going up. So I would continue to, you can stay in that. Let's see, USD CAD. How you would measure something like this is you can come down here, high, 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 boom, nice and healthy, staying right inside there. NZD CHF, which I'm in a, no, I mean not a buy, I'm in a short. I closed the short, but on the other accounts I have the short still. Oh, the short's still open. I gotta close it. This bounce just looks ranging, so it's not breaking down. It's just ranging across here. So waiting for this to break down. It hit our target, kissed it right there. The 0.93382 kissed it. Made a double bottom, a double top. Perfect. And this right here, this is classic. This is the RSAI classic move. Classic move. This is what we teach. I mean, this is like very common. This is what I look for in my dreams. To do this, not finish that, come to the top, hit the previous target, kiss it, do a double top, and then do this. I mean, it's like, it's perfect. It's just perfect. USD CNH. Oh, I thought it was, okay, so it's 79 pips. So I'm 80 pips into USD CNH buy. It had come up and it came down, looked like it was getting ready to do one of these, and then didn't. And it just, it formed, I was right at that point when it began to form a nice range up in here. Okay. Beautiful, just beautiful, 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 beautiful. So then go like this. Didn't finish. Very good. Comes up here. Very nice. Very nice. I had shorted it from here down to about right up in here somewhere. It was like so many pips. It was, I had gained, so it went from here to 4. It went, no, I didn't sell it. I got out, oh, right there. I got out like right there. So 120 pips. I got out. That was it. Look at this thing. Nice. Gold. Haven't been in gold. Gold is going down to my target of that I had set a while back. 1725, which was my target. So looks like it's going there right now. Still within range. Very nice, very nice. That was our old target, 1725. UK 100, yeah. This actually moved up more than I thought it would. So that's good. Just the swings are really crazy, very volatile environment right now. Up and down, up and down. But I like volatility. Volatility, you know what you're doing, you can make good money. You know what you're doing. You have to know what you're doing. I made 50,000 on this move. Boom, short. Now look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin back at 37,000. I do not think that this is going to finish. It's going to leave this open for the future. So 3349 is going to be, I'm sorry. Take that back, because this is okay. 3349's hit. It's okay. This is complete, so I don't expect it to go any further. On a particular pattern like this, the target is right here. So it's even gone past a little bit past the target. So it's going to finish this move going upwards. From here, that is going to be the lowest point. That is it. This shall continue to follow that pattern. Let's see. Oh, it's breached it. Yeah, it's breached it. Or the latest significant. Or you can have it in the latest significant. So, I mean, I'd still be in this. I'm in this, but I'm on a different account. And that's basically it. Got 5-year treasury bonds. Look at that. Nuts, right? That's the 5-year, 10-year government bonds. Oh, this is headed up. It's headed up. 10-year yield's going up right now. I mean, next week should go up. Double bottom. So they're double bottomed. So they should be going up. That's a 1-year. 1 year's probably nuts. Yeah, the spotty, right? All right. Let's see. I lost money on the trades on the U.S. tech trades. I lost money. I lost money on the German. I made a little bit on the HSI. A little bit. Glad I got out because it's at 23.5. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, this has been nuts. Lost money. Got out. The Hensing. I expected it. Wait a minute. I got out of it. This is like a while back. Hold up. This is supposed to, oh, it did go. All right. So it did go up to where I needed it to. So I had got in and then, yeah, didn't do much with that. So the Nifty, the Wall Street, oil. So you got Wall Street. No predictions are left up there. And that's it. So, all right, that's it. I figured it wouldn't be an hour long. All right, guys. So have a great weekend. And thank you for, being part of what we're doing here. We have a long way to go. We're going to be doing some big things in the future as the group grows. And thank you guys for your questions, your time. Thank you for your vote of confidence. Some of you that have gone to the website found us. Some of you that went to myfxbook.com found us. Some of you that have found us on YouTube. So God bless you all. And I will see you guys next week. All right. So enjoy your weekend. Peace. And cut.